Yeah. So once again, welcome to SCM Technologies for the training of Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Demo 2. And you already know myself, I'm Girinath. And this is today's demo session is second day demo session. Right. We already know about that. What is supply chain management and what are the ERP applications? Why the Oracle ERP application is top trending application in the market, even the job openings also. Why so many openings in the current market? So each and everything is discussed on the first day demo. Now today's demo is completely and clearly will discuss on what is training, right? How much duration, what is the content of the training, each and everything we will discuss on this second day demo. Okay, and coming to this. Right. So the today's demo is very clear. Right. What are the roles and responsibilities of SCM consultant in IT company? You join any company, there is some roles and responsibilities. Otherwise, you are not getting any salaries, right? So first of all, you need to understanding what is your roles and responsibilities, whether these roles and responsibilities are easy or difficulty with my qualification or with my communication or with my background. Okay, so you need to understanding first. Then, what are the different types of roles? For example, if you are joining a 4 years of experience, what role you are getting? 5 years, what type of roles? 8 years, what type of roles? Or 1 year, what type of role? Right? What type of roles which is assigning you based on your skill sets? And what is the syllabus copy? Complete syllabus copy for overview and clear cut about the Oracle Fusion application logins. Right? So which application level you will be working on your IT functional consultant? Once you are joining any company, which application level you are working, right? How familiar and friendly application for that, right? I can just explaining for that familiarity of the application. Okay. So then along with that, so what is the training add-ons and supports, right? How it is, why SCM technology is special for compared to others. Okay, and the course registration process and batch timings, each and everything we'll discuss on here. Okay, now let's coming to these duties. So what are the basic roles and responsibility of the SCM functional consultant? If I am explaining in depth about each and every day for joining a first day to ending of the day, right? Even you cannot understanding for that. Okay. So let's coming to here roles and responsibilities. Okay. So complete the duties and your responsibilities is three C's. Three C's. One is for collection, configure, conversions. Collections, configures, and conversions. So what is this? Collection is nothing but, say for example, if you are going to shopping to DMart or Reliance Fresh or any shopping mall, what you will do first? You are say hi to all the staff members. Are you giving any shake hands to all the staff members? No, right? So what is your major role and duty if you are going to the DMart or any other as a shopping purpose? Your duty is to collect all the material which you required, home needs, right? So collection. In same way, once you are joining any IT company as the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, right? You are deploying to some other project, some project nothing but which companies are implemented this Oracle Fusion application, right? So if you are deploying that project, what is your first role? You are collecting the data from the business. From the business, you are collecting the data. So whatever the expected things are there from this here, right? Application level, all things will be collected by you or your senior functional consultant. If you are joining as a fresher or 2 years or 3 years, your senior functional consultants will collect the data. So once the collection is completed, what collections? Collections means, for example, let's tell you. Let's go to the application. So collection means, so let's take a Tata. So Tata Motors implemented this ERP application on their businesses. Right, Tata Motors. Right. So Tata Motors is implemented for inventory, procurement, product management, right? Management and order management. Order management. So these four modules are implemented Tata Motors. Okay. So why these Tata Motors are implemented these four modules in their project, in their implementation ERP application? Because their transactions are happening from one inventory to another inventory. Inventory nothing but warehouse. Let's take Amazon or Jepto. Jepto, there is a lot of warehouses are there, right, in city. If you are booking something, they are picking the material and deliver to your home. It's like a warehouse, right? So to maintain the stock related or to transfer the stock from one inventory to another inventory, right? So the inventory module is one of the important. Now, what is your collection? As a functional consultant, you need to collect the data. Where is their inventory organizations? Where is their inventory organization? Their inventory organization is there in Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, right? And Delhi. So in different locations, their inventory organizations are there. So you need to collect what is their warehouses names, what is their locations, what is the plant shipping timings, right? Working timings. Okay, each and everything in the plant level, what type of transactions are going on, each and everything business will provide you. Don't worry. Okay, you are just requested a mail, right? I need so and so data to configure as your business processes, right? I need so and so data. You are collecting the data here. What data? Inventory related configurations. Okay, the data is collected. From here, procurement related. Who is the suppliers? For example, Tata Motors are manufacturing for the Tata cars. Tata cars related, what raw material is required? Tires are required, right? Painting is required. Okay, who is supplying for that? Suppliers are supplying that material to the Tata Motors and Tata Motors are utilizing that material and manufacturing the cars. Okay, so as a functional consultant, you need to collecting the supplier related data. And supplier along with suppliers, there is a purchasing process, right? Purchasing process or any approvals are there. What type of approvals they are following? For example, if Tata Motors employees are purchasing 1 crore of material, right? So they don't have a right to immediately purchasing the material from the supplier, right? There is some approvals. See, even if in your home also you are purchasing something with a 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh, you are taking some opinion or you are taking some approvals, right, from your authority persons. That's a hierarchy we are following. Okay, same way in the organization also, some hierarchies approvals are there when we are purchasing some material. So as a functional consultant, you need to collect the data. Right, this collection will be processing minimum 1 month. Right, they are providing the information. Again, we are sending the mail. We need so and so data. Right, are sending the SharePoint So we need to download and we can do the configurations. Okay, first we need to collect the data. So the collection process is here. Okay, so first duty is collection. Okay, all the collections are completed. So after collection is completed, next level is configuration. Configurations. So once the data is collected by Excel or Word format or any PDF format, then immediately as a functional consultant, you can understanding what is their inventory organizations and suppliers and product management related items. Okay, items means, for example, Tata Nexon. Tata Nexon is a car. Tata Punch is the item. Right, these items are created under product management. So business will be provided what items are purchasing the material, what items they are manufacturing, each and everything they are providing the data. Okay. Now what is the next one? Order management. Order management is nothing but booking, sales related. Okay, sales orders. So for this sales order purposes, right, what is their process of sales orders? Right, how the process flow is going on. If something is not there, for example, some customer is booking Tata Nexon car. Tata Nexon car is not there in the Hyderabad warehouse. So what is the immediate action for this? They are not losing the customer, right? So immediately, right? So this order management team is informing to the warehouse, and warehouse people are getting the material from Chennai or Delhi or Bangalore warehouse and delivered to the customer with the lead time. So for example, if you are booking a Tata Nexon or Tata something, right, they are providing some lead time, sir, minimum 1 month it will be taking to deliver. Okay, the leads times. So here you can see there is a multiple data collections are happening from here. So you, as a functional consultant, so you need to understanding the collection data and doing the configurations. Configuration means in the application level. So what is our next duty? Once the collection is completed, configurations. Configuration setups and customize the Oracle SCM modules. Right. So you can configure these setups. Right. What setups? For example, Tata Hyderabad inventory org. Okay. One inventory org is completed. Tata Bangalore inventory org. Two inventory is completed. Tata Pune inventory org. Three inventory orgs are completed. So these warehouses are there in the different locations. As a functional consultant, you can configure this with the data which is provided by the business. So who is provided this data? Right. So business will be provided. Business means who is implemented this application. Who is implemented this application? What is the application? I'll show you. Okay, collection. Then, so you are configuring this. Then suppliers. Right. Suppliers means MRF tires. MRF tires supplier. Okay. Then Apollo tires supplier. Then Asian Paints supplier. So this type of suppliers are configuring into the application. Whenever the business is creating a purchase order, they are selecting this MRF tires supplier and creating a purchase order to purchasing the MRF tires for their manufacturing of Tata Nexon car or Tata Punch car or their specifications. Okay, your main duty is this configurations. Okay, now you can see from the inventory side, you are doing the inventory configurations and testing of inventory configurations, how it is working. After that, procurement level, you are doing some suppliers related configurations and some approval related configurations. Okay, so in the order management, product management, obviously you are taking for the product management, Tata, Nexon, right, Tata Punch, just example purpose, Tata, Harrier. Okay. So this type of products you are configuring into the system level as for the business collection. Okay. So sales order level, what type of sales orders they are processing. Okay. The sales order configurations will be coming to here. Customer related data, item related. So nothing. First you can understanding the inventory, procurement and product management. Then you can understanding the sales very easily. Right. So collection is completed, configuration is completed. So your project is almost 4 months are completed. Right. So in this period, right, 4 months will be completed. So what is the next one? Conversions. Conversions, nothing but conversions, data migration. Right. For example, let's take a suppliers. There is a Tata Motors, right? 5,000 suppliers are there. As a functional consultant, you are working on this project. You cannot manually created all the 5,000 suppliers by clicking on plus button and creating, right? See, if I'm asking to create a 5,000 contact numbers in your phone, what you will do immediately? So there is a 5,000 contacts are there. Now I am asking, right, can you please create a contacts in this new mobile? So what is your approach of mechanism? Anybody's guess? Team, you are following me, right?
No idea on that.
Sorry?
Bulk loading, no idea on that.
Bulk loading, right? You are saying bulk
Yes.
loading? Correct.
Yes.
There is a import option is there, right? In Gmail, there is a import option. By
Yes.
using that, we can import the one template and we can populate all the 5,000 contacts to the template and loading to the email. Automatically, all 5,000 contacts are within 2 minutes. All the 5 contacts are created on the new mobile. You are not creating manually, right? See, for example, you are purchasing some new mobile, right? In your old mobile, all the data is there. You cannot create each and everything manually, right? So you have some data migration programs are there. Data transferring programs are there. Applications are there. You are using that, right? Same way, conversions are nothing but there is a bulk data is there from their old systems. Right. So as a functional consultant, you can do this bulk data migration to new application. New application. So your major work is collections, configurations, and conversions. Conversions. Okay. So this is a major work and 80% of the work in your real time. In between of there is some documentations. Documentations means, for example, you are doing these configurations, Tata Hyderabad, Tata Bangalore, Tata Pune. You record somewhere, right, in the document. I created this inventory organization. I created this suppliers. Where you can record? You can record some configuration document level. There is a configuration documents. So from the configuration documents, you are recording all this data. Why? Because further, if any issues are there, you can refer this data and find out that, yes, this supplier is configured in the application. Okay, so some document preparations are there. Okay, the major work is collection, configurations, and conversions. Where you can configure this, right? Where you can configure, this is the application. So here you can see this is the application. Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. Right. If you are joining as a functional consultant, you are working on this application. This is the application. Very friendly navigation. This application is very friendly navigation. You are doing all the setups from here, setup and maintenance level. Right. So whatever the configuration, for example, so what is the inventory organization business is asking? Hyderabad inventory. Tata Hyderabad inventory. Okay, so immediately you are going to here setup, right? Setup. If I am asking to create a contact number, where you created? From the contact folders, right? Dashboard. Same way, if I am asking, business is asking, can you please set up the Hyderabad inventory organization? Immediately, as a functional consultant, you need to know about that, where you can go and navigate and create this task. Click on this setup and maintenance. Setup means setups. Okay, so inventory organization, right? Manufacturing and supply chain management. This is the task. All right, this is the functional area. If you click on this, right, there is a manage inventory organization task is there. Okay, so click on here, this task. Okay, what is the business requirement? Hyderabad inventory, right? Let's create a Tata HYD inventory org name. Okay. Very friendly application, no coding, nothing is there, right? So what my request is, you need to understanding the logic. So this inventory is created under, sorry, remove this. This inventory is created under some other business units, right? So business unit, I'm taking this one sample business unit. So in the training level, you can understanding better all these options. Okay, what is the location? Which location it is there? Hyderabad location. Hyderabad location. Okay. So legal entity, I'm selecting some legal entity. Okay. Click on save. Here item master organization is operations. Here also it is operation. This is a plant working time, right? Plant working time. Plant means inventory organization working time. Save and close. Now Tata Hyderabad inventory is created. Query this. Now you can see Tata Hyderabad is created. So whatever the created namings are there, you can do some configurations, right? So this is what the configurations. Tata Hyderabad inventory is created. That's all. Inventory is created here. Okay. So I'm applying any coding here? Nothing. Zero coding. This is a completely functional training, right? Zero coding. I'm not applicable for any coding here. Okay. Clear. So this is the way how we can set up. Right. So if I'm asking to create a contact, you are going to the contact dashboard and create, right? If I'm asking take a photo, take a photo. Can you please click on photo? Right. You know, right? Where you can navigate in the mobile? Camera. Right. You are going to the camera folder, camera dashboard and open that and click on that photo, right? If I am going to ask you, can you please open the photo, how it is look? You are going to the gallery and open that photo. So every specific folder or application is working for their specific functionality. Here also, every module, this is the module. Every module, their specific functions are there. For example, if I click on the procurement related functions are there here. You can see purchasing related, approval management, suppliers related. There is suppliers related. Okay, suppliers. So every module level, their functionality setups are there. As a SCM functional consultant, you need to know the navigation where I can create a supplier, where I can create a inventory organizations. Okay, in complete our training, we are going to provide you step-by-step, structure-wise application implementation projects with real time. Okay, so this is what your major roles and responsibilities. So in daily meetings and stand-up meetings, updates, you can join any marketing job also. There is a meetings. You join any job, there is a meetings. Even if you start a business, right? You can set up a meetings, right? Same way in the organization, meetings and updates are common. For example, today you want to create a 5 inventory organization. That is your task, right? That is your task. Let's complete the task and update an email. Yes, the task is completed. Now you are free. If you know the navigation, within 1 hour, you can complete your task and update it by end of the day. Yes, successfully. I'm completed all the 5 inventory organization configurations today. So your task is completed. If you know the navigation, you will be completed within half an hour. If you don't know the navigation, you will do it for minimum 1 week. Okay, so this training is completely providing you with the real-time guidance. What is the prerequisite setups before going to create inventory organizations or suppliers or items, each and everything with the structure-wise format is there. We are following the same format. Okay, so the major roles is collection, configurations, and conversions. So in between, some document preparations are there, some meetings are there. Okay, so this is the major work which you are performing in your real-time project. If you are joining as a IT functional consultant, if you are following my training from day one regularly, you no need to take any support for interviews also. It's my challenge. If you are following my training day one and practice properly, right, for all the processes, you'll get a job after 2 modules are completed. So basically, we are training you 5 modules. Once 2 modules are completed, you will get a placed. So that much of stuff is there in my training. Okay, you need to follow. Last batch also, a lot of members are got a jobs, right? So they already posted from the groups also. But need to follow the structure-wise training format. So we are providing each and everything with the definition level. Okay, each and everything we are providing you structure-wise. Please, this is my humble request. Joining the training and inspiring from the institute, sweet words, not a good matter. Okay, following the training each and every day, at least spend 1 hour time for practice. 1 hour obviously in the training, 1 hour for practice, 2 hours more than enough. You can do your work regularly, whatever your work is currently going on, you can do your work. That's a simple guidance from my side. Okay, so this is what your roles and responsibilities once you are joining as a SCM functional consultant. Okay, so what is the next one? The next one is, right, what roles are there? I don't want to be spending more time today's. Okay, so what roles? We already know the association of these hierarchies. Associate consultant for right, who are joining as a freshers or 2 years experiences or 4 years. Okay, or 3 years. Associate consultant is there. After that, functional consultant, senior functional consultant, lead consultant, and manager. These positions are based on your experiences. Okay, senior functional consultant above 5 years. So below 5 years, functional consultant. So below 2 years, associate consultant. Lead consultant 8 years above. Manager 10 years above. Okay. So these are the positions of hierarchy. Once you are joining any company as a fresher or experienced candidate. Okay. So these are the positions which is allocated to your real projects. Now, types of projects. There is a different types of projects are there. Implementation projects, support projects, enhancement and rollout. Implementation, nothing but, for example, Tata is implementing the CRP application on their business processes. Now you are working as a implementation consultant. After implementation is completed, if you are joining as a right implement support project, support means if Tata project level, Tata application level, if any errors are there, you are just supporting. if any errors from the inventory side or procurement side or order management side. As a functional consultant, you are analyze the root causes and investigate and provide the what root cause is there for the issue. Support project, that is called support consultant. Enhancement and rollout, any add-ons are there. For example, right, Tata is um, a warehouse is newly started from the Bangalore. Previously, it is not there. What happened here? You are doing some new setups again from the production level. Enhancement and rollouts are there. For example, previously, business is not implemented procurement module. Now the business is okay with implementing the procurement module. There is enhancements, some enhancements. Like, so you are working either implementation project or support project. Enhancements and rollouts are very rare. Okay, so implementation or support is your major functionalities. So in our training, so we can provide both level. Right, if you are joining as an implementation, you can perform implementation project successfully. If you are joining as a support project also, you can do your duties excellence. Okay, so our training is completely by both phases, implementation and support. Okay, now coming to the training syllabus, we already know that, right? Syllabus copy is this. So this is the syllabus copy. How many days for each and every module? I am mentioning over here. Okay, you can see syllabus copy. Inventory, product management, procurement, order management, costing, some technical related things also there. Technical related, data migration, OTBA, BA reports, roles and securities related. Okay, so here you can see complete syllabus. First, which module? Inventory module. Okay, inventory module. Here, inventory module is starts from here. Okay, inventory. So whatever the inventory related configurations are there, each and everything we are following by step by step. Once the inventory is completed, we are going to start with procurement. So procurement is 20 days. Okay. So after procurement is completed, in the procurement, there is a lot of sub modules are there. Each and everything we are following with the structure wise. Okay, discussions on the training level. What is the real time project requirement? And as a functional consultant, what is your approach of dealing these configurations in the real time? Okay, so then there is a lot of transactions are there from the procurement, purchase orders, requisitions. Okay, there is some agreements are there. Okay, supplier portals related configurations, self-service procurement, sourcing, negotiations, negotiations. You already know, right? This is one of the common word in daily our life. If you are going to the vegetable shop, what you are doing? The vegetable vendor is saying tomatoes are 40 rupees. Immediately, our negotiation team is immediately asking negotiation, hey, let's give 30 rupees. Right? So, negotiation. Same way in the purchasing, there is a negotiation. Beautiful topic is there. Topmost to demand current market. Okay, negotiations related. Supplier qualifications. How to qualify the suppliers and maintaining the data into the system level. Okay, supplier qualification. After that, order management. What is order to cash? From order creation to cash collection. What are the processes? What are the configurations? Right? How many types of setups are there? What is the sales order prices? How you can set up the sales order price? Sales order price, nothing but, for example, you are an Amazon customer as a prime customer. Right, you are purchasing an iPhone with 1 lakh. Basically, if you are not a prime customer, okay, what happened? Your purchase price is 1 lakh 10,000. If you are a prime customer, you are getting only for 1 lakh. Why? How system know that he is a prime customer? His discount price is 10,000. He is not a prime customer. His price is actually 1 lakh 10,000. How system know that? There is some logic algorithms are there in the pricing level. That algorithms will be coming under this pricing setups level. Okay, so it's a beautiful topic, pricing. If you know pricing properly, right? So you are always be ready to place in any IT companies. So order management is one of the top demanded module currently. Okay, so procurement and inventory, what happened? Procurement and inventory is a mandator who is having additionally order management module. Basically, if you are a 5 years of experience, you are getting a 16 lakhs of package. If you know order management properly, right, you will get a 5 lakhs additionally, 18 to 20 lakhs. Okay, so order management. So that's one of the important module. After order management, cost management is there. Right, cost management. So cost calculation. What is the profit of the organization? What is the debits? What is the credits? Where the material is debited, where the material is credited. Okay, each and everything is calculated from the cost management level. So after that, some technical topics are there. So we are also going to discuss about these technical topics, all these technical topics. Right, functional consultant, not only for the functional related, some technical related things also required. Okay, we are adding some technical related, which is expected from the interviewer, current market. Okay, these all are the technical related topics, some technical related. So this is the syllabus copy. This is the syllabus copy. Now some people are asking, right? So you are giving this structure-wide training, that's fine. But I know this. For example, mayonnaise price list. What is this mayonnaise price list? I need a definition. As a SCM Technologies, we are giving a definition for each and every task. We are providing the definition. Definition is nothing but interview answer. Right. So where we are maintaining, there is a document is there, definition document. Now you can see Oracle Fusion SCM training modules. Right. So each and every definition. What is our expected definition? Let's see. Sales order level, right? Pricing. Yeah, you can see. What is price list? Price list. A price list is just structured list of items and their selling prices. Effective for the specific date range. Different price list can exist for different customers and different reasons. As we discussed, right? Amazon Prime customers. Amazon customers are different prices. Amazon Prime customer different prices are there. For example, today is the discount going on. How discount is applicable? Tomorrow there is no any discount. How system know that? They are providing end date ranges. Today by 12 o'clock, the discount is applicable. After 12, no discounts. Immediately, discounts are not applicable. Right? How system know that? Based on this mechanism, pricing list mechanism. Right? So each and every task, what is the business example? Let's, for example, a retail price list has a laptop of 65,000. A corporate price list is same laptop as a 58,000 for bulk buyers. A government price list applies a special rates for government tenders. You can see different customers, different prices are there. Okay, so why it is matter? Price list is the single source of pricing truth. They ensure the customers are always charged the correct and current negotiated prices. Why it is business requires? Okay, so what is the purpose of to maintaining this price list? So definition, business example, why it is matters. From day onwards, we are providing this document. If you are not understanding some topic, right, you can go through this topic from here. Okay, each and every topic, again, there is a documentation. For example, today we are completed with mayonnaise price list and mayonnaise pricing strategies. Again, we are providing one document, PDF document. Okay, how our PDF documents, I'll show you. Okay, so once the session is completed, we are providing the recordings. Okay, so let me show you. Where is that? So this is the drive session. Once you are joining this training, so you are getting these drive sessions. Okay, drive link. For example, demo videos are there, interview documents. Interview documents are not updated. Project implementation documents. Project implementation documents. All the project related implementation documents are updated from here. Okay, once the session is completed. Now, session documents. Session means, for example, item setups. Item setups. So what is item setup? You can see product management study guide. Again, what is the interview question? What is item life cycle? What is the interview questions? Item catalogs. What is the interview questions? Item categories on this topic. What is the description? Right. So interview questions. Okay. So each and every session, there is a PDF format document is there. Right. You can refer all these documents, videos, real-time project related scenarios. Each and every document and training recordings will be provided to your drives, your drive folder, and you have access to download this. You have access to download this. Okay, we are not restricted to download. We don't have any time limit, right? 1 year access only. 6 months access, 8 months access. We don't have any such type of restriction. This is an open market, right? This is an open market. Why I can restrict it for this? I'm the person to help you, right? So this is a download option. No institute is provided download option. Just go and find out for the number of institutes and ask them. Right. Even if you are purchasing the videos, they are not providing the download option. Even I am also the person to purchasing the materials from other institutes. We don't have any download options. Okay. Yeah. Somebody is asking some question. Just a minute. Can you please share the PDF on the top? Yeah, sure. I'll be sharing. Okay. Just ping me on WhatsApp. Now, so training document. How we are maintaining training document? Very beautiful. For example, today some task is going on. Some session is going on. So immediately the session. So what is our session today? See, current batch session is going on today. Okay, I'll tell you. Item creation. Item creation. What is the navigation? Navigation. Setup and maintenance, product management, items and manage item classes. Same. What is the navigation? Setup and maintenance from here. Setup and maintenance. Okay. Setup and maintenances. See how beautiful we are maintaining the navigations. 1 minute. Where is that? Yeah, here. See, if I want to create, right, unit of measure, setup and maintenances, product management, right? So I need to select product management. Under product management, what is the next one? Items and manage item classes. Okay, items. Okay, manage. You can see here, manage item class. Where is that? Manage unit of measure classes. Okay, if you click on this task, right, you are creating your task from here. Right, this is the way how we are maintaining each and every task configuration with the navigation for easy understanding. If interviewer is asking what is the navigation for create a item, create a item. If you are following this navigation, easily to remember. You are easy to remember. Okay, no need to worry about each and everything. See, everything we are recording here. So all the configurations are coming under this column. Nav application configuration. What is the task name? What is the topic today? What is the date? Right, date, topic, task name, navigation. What is the sample data I created? You can see sample data I created. Right, which I created. Okay. Redwood implementation material will also be there. There is no any Redwood related and classic related. Okay, don't expect that. The Redwood is just like it is a Redwood. There is no any beautiful functionality compared to the classic pages. It's just a panic from the Oracle. The customers are not implemented Redwood pages still. No customer is accepted for this Redwood pages. Only they are accepted if any AI agents are working. Okay, same navigation, either it is a Redwood or classic. See, for example, there is some task is coming on Redwood, right? So where is the Redwood? Now this task is a unit of measure class is a Redwood, right? So unit of measure is a Redwood. Where I can see this page is Redwood, you can see here Redwood. So either unit of measure is a Redwood page or classic page, the meaning is same, right? The meaning is same. If you are staying in village, your name is Pratap. If you are staying in city, your name is same. Okay. So in the Redwood page, the task name is same, the task functionality is same, the task creation is same. Nothing is different. Only AI functionalities are supported on the Redwood pages. For that, Oracle is implemented Redwood pages. But most of the businesses are not accepted for this Redwood pages. Don't worry about that. I can explain in both pages. If it is a Redwood page, how you can do that? If it is a classic page, how you can do the same setup? Both pages level, we are providing the training. Don't worry. Okay, clear? No, sorry, taking very long time here. So what is the training modules? Inventory, product management, procurement, order management, and costing. Very clear. Training modules. Right, where is the training module? So from the inventory level itself, item related configurations are there. That is the product management. Product management, where is that? So from the inventory, you can see inventory setups. This is the product management related module. Okay, now. So what is the training accesses we are providing? So as we discussed in the demo, right? Topic wise introduction and interview questions. Topic wise introduction and interview questions like this. Okay. So topic wise session. Okay. You can see here, if you want to create user account, how to create user account. Topic wise. So what is the interview questions? Okay. So this is topic wise. Nobody can provide this, but we are providing each and every topic wise. Today some session is going on. The topic session will be uploaded on the drive folder, and recording video access lifelong. No restrictions. No any time limit on this. Okay. And server access up to 1 year. For lab access, this server will be provided up to 1 year. Okay. So up to 1 year, we are providing this server support. If any refresh related servers are there, immediately we are sharing refresh servers on your WhatsApp groups once you are joining this training. Okay, for your practices. If you are purchasing this server from outside, 3 months or 4 months, they are charging with 2,000 or 3,000. Okay, but we are providing free of cost up to 1 year. Okay, after this, right, implementation documentation support. So once you are joining any project, so your manager is asking, can you please preparing the configuration document, right? Or BR100 document, or FSD document. So you are unable to understanding, this trainer is not explained this. No, my student never feel like that. I'll be giving all the implementation documents. So where it is associated from here. Let's go to the drive folder again. Project implementation documents. You can see the complete project, real-time project. And this is the configuration document. If you open this, right, configuration document. For example, you are creating an inventory organization, right? There is the inventory organization. Like, see, organization name. Tata, Hyderabad, Tata, Bangalore. Right, what is the organization code? Everything is there. You just recorded all these setups from here. Documentation, real-time documentation. Okay. And resume development also. Once you are ready with 2 modules or 3 modules, I'll be provide you a support to preparing the resume development. On the current market, what is the top trending looking from the SCM consultant, I will be preparing this resume development. It's the free of cost. This is the training access services. Nobody can provide this resume development with individual, right? But we are providing this. And job related and interview assistance is optional. That will be a separate mechanism is there. If you are not confident about this training after completion of this training, then if you are okay with that, job and interview assistance also we are providing. For last month and before month also, there is a number of candidates are placed from our institute. Okay, for the multiple companies in the MNCs and contract to hires. Okay, so if you are okay with that, job and interview assistance also we can provide. Right, that's a completely optional. It's not including on the training. Okay, this is optional related. If you are not confident about training related, then only you can take this service. Okay, query assistance. If you are facing some issues on the training while practicing, so we are always be ready to providing the support for your queries. Okay, and your issues. If you have any training related access services are required, additionally, we can also provide. Okay, this is the major training access services are providing by SCM Technologies. Okay, and now coming to the next, the simple thing, the batch timings are very clear, right? So batch timings are 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So whatever the demo session timings are there, right? Same timings. So batch timings. So every day, 1 hour session. This is completely online training. There is no any offline training. Okay. So the days is from Monday to Friday. So there is no any Saturday, Sunday sessions. If any extra session or any additional uh, discussions, right? We are informing to you on the WhatsApp group. Okay. So based on your availabilities, based on your approvals, then only we can take a session on Saturday and Sunday. But maximum Saturday and Sunday, even I am not encouraging. That's a family type, completely family type. Okay. So Monday to Friday. So what is the duration of this course? Very clear duration. Okay. So complete 70 hours of sessions. 70 hours of session. 70 hours means each day 1 hour. 1 hour. So 2.5 months. So if you exclude Saturday and Sunday, this is the 3 months duration. 3 months. So maximum we are completing, right? 2.5 months. 2.5 months. If any extended is there, any new features or any discussions are there, it will be coming on 3 months. And you already know, right? So 5 modules and the fee structure is 20K. Okay. So we don't have any discounts from the last batch. So 20K is a fixed one. Okay. And there is no any installments also, but don't expect it for installments. Okay. So why? Because we have a lot of bad experiences with the installments related approaches. So that is the reason. See, if you are okay with that, personally, you are facing some issues, then I'll be giving some little discounts. Okay. But no installment from the last two batches. Right. If you are okay with that, I'm good. I'm okay. Right. I'm ready to take this training. Then you can go with these approaches. And if you want to contact SCM Technologies, 720-7245-101. Even from YouTube also you are getting this number. So we are not hiding anything. We have a very good followers. Okay. So whatever the time we are providing 70 hours, so 100% we can deliver on time. We don't have any escaping topics. We don't have any skip topics. Right. We are always be following with on time deliveries. For example, batch level 20 members are joining. Right. After inventory or procurement, one session level, there is no team members or active team members. Even one member or two members also there, session will be going on and the record session will be uploaded from here on the drive folders. Okay. So on the drive folders. This is what we are following the approach in these trainings. Okay. Along with that, if you need any other queries or support related, we are always be ready. There is no any appointment related discussions from our institute, SCM Technology. Okay, if you are message me, I am directly communicated to you. No approval authorities, nothing is there. Okay, I am the owner, I am the trainer. I will be take care of all these regarding of your jobs related resume developments, trainings, and each and everything. Okay, so this is what approach of following my trainings level, right? So same approach for all the batches, but that will be very successful approaches we are following here. Why? Because number of people are got a place from our institutes. So that's one of the success factors. Okay, so that's all team for today's demonstration. If you have any queries, you can reach out this number. And right. If anybody is okay with that, the batch starts from tomorrow onwards. Right. 6th. Okay. Wednesday. So 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So tomorrow, the batch time and the Zoom link and everything is different. Everything. And right, immediately once your registration is completed, immediately you are getting on WhatsApp group. Right. So on the WhatsApp group, we are communicated all the servers related, drive access related, each and everything is communicated on the WhatsApp groups. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, the batch timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. If anybody interested, please reach out to this number and start your registration process. Sir, only for 2 demos. I am not taking much demos. Right. So immediately we are starting with the real-time project related trainings. That's all. If you have any queries, now you can ask. Yeah, I think very good response is there from all the members. Maybe if you have any queries, you can ask. So personally, if you want to discuss anything, you just reach out to this number. I'll be always available. If not responding, just ping me on WhatsApp. Okay, hi or something. I'll be um, call back you. Okay. So if any other engagements or any interview processes are there. So these people are feel that the 20K is a very highest amount. Some other institutes are provided 10K or 5K or 1K. Okay, I'm always be okay with that. If anybody is providing very low price than to this, so I'm always be okay with that. You can join for better institute, which is providing for less training fees. Okay, so I'm not forcing anybody. Even I'm not call back. Are you joining or not? Anything. Right. From last 25 batches we are completed till, right, successfully. We are not calling any candidate. Are you okay? Or are you interested to join this course? No. We are just sending a one message. If you are interested, then you can join. Why? Because we are not encouraging the promotion. If you are really committed for the trainings, right, I'm okay with that, then you can join. Okay, I'll be providing the best support, what you are expected. So that's all, team. Yeah. So,
Sir, I have one question, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
Sir, you have shown one curriculum document, right? Detailed
Yeah,
curriculum.
yeah.
Can we expect each and every topic to be covered, or you will skip some topics in between?
That is what I am telling you, right? So we are not skipping any topic. Any topic. Let me show you once again. One more batch related videos. Okay. What's your name?
My name's Syed.
Yeah, okay. Let me, where is the last batch related? Yeah, it is there from here itself. So this is a last batch, which is replacing you, right? 8:30 p.m. Okay. You can see here, there is a inventory module. Now you can see 26 related videos are there. Each video is 1 hour 10 minutes or 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay. So now you can check this. Okay. Nothing is missing, which is mentioned on the syllabus copy. Right. See, for example, item related setups. Take any, let's go to one by one. Shipping related setups. Right? Shipping related setups. Where is that? Here, min-max planning. Yeah, you can see here. Picking and shipping configuration. Receiving configurations. Right. Take any topic. Let's go to the procurement. Here the procurement. Right. Complete procurement. There is a 25. Okay, whatever we committed on the syllabus copy, right, we are following the same structure. This same syllabus copy is shared on the drive folder, right? If anything is missing, immediately you can ask, sir, you are not explaining this topic. See here, the training copy is there from here, drive folder. So this is a last training copy, right? The training copy is there from here, you can see. Okay, if anything is I skipped or I'm not explaining, immediately you can ask this. Okay, we are very open about that. Even we are always be responsibility, right? Whatever we committed. Clear? Order
Yes,
management.
sir.
You can see order management. And after that, cost management. Yeah, costing. Okay, 4 days. So in syllabus copy, how many days we are mentioning? Costing. You can see here 4 days. Right, procurement, 20 days. 20 days. How many videos are there from here? Right. So more than we are provided. Right. More than 25 videos are there. That means 25 days. Okay. So we are providing more than syllabus copy. Even syllabus copy, some topics are skipping. Right. But in real time, I am explaining each and everything, providing with extra setups, extra related. For example, today some interviewer is asking some questions. Right, I'm the person who is take care about the interviews. Right. I will be quoted for that interview related questions on the today's topic and explaining how you can deliver these topics in real time. Okay, that is the reason some time allocation will be taking more than what we are expected on syllabus copy. Okay, in syllabus copy, inventory management, we are mentioning 10 days and product management, we are mentioning 20 days. Right. So, but in real time, what happened? We can see inventory and product management on these videos. 26 hours are there. But here mentioning only for 15 hours. Why? Because some including things are there. Extra related um, current market from the SCM functional consultant, what they are expected. Each and everything we are providing. More than we are provided, bro. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir, last batch completed in 3 months or it took more than 3 months?
Which 3 months?
Last
3 months.
batch.
You can see here, three
Under
months.
3 months, we will complete, right?
3 months maximum. Some why we are taking this. Sometimes 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Right, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So it will be taking. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, only one more question, sir.
Hmm.
I'm just a little curious because the entire Oracle setup, if some company is migrating,
Hmm.
so why it takes 3, 4 months, 6 months, or sometimes 1 year? Because this setup doesn't seems to look like it will complete in 1 month, 2 month, right? Why
Yeah.
it took this much time?
Exactly, that's a good question, right? So the implementation project is not implemented on the single server. There is a 3, 4 servers are there. It's not a single. a business process, right? There is let's take a Tata related motors. How many crores of business is this? Just imagine how many crores of business this.
Yes.
Maybe 1,000 crores,
Yes.
right?
Some 1,000 crores.
Yeah, yeah. That's a common investment. 1,000 crores. Tata Motors is not a single entity, right? There is a multiple things are there. 1,000 crores of business, right? Where they are maintaining their 1,000 crores of business to transfer to purchasing. All these recordings are maintaining on this application, right? Okay.
Yes.
So you feel that this is a very simple application. Navigations are completed within 1 month. Within 1 month, you are completed only one server level. There is a 4, 5 servers are there in your implementation. For example, one server level you are testing. Next server level you are developing the concepts. Next server again you are deploying all these. Everything is good. Then only the production server will be deploying all the migration data. Okay, that is the reason it will be taking 9 to 11 months implementation projects. Right? Number of
Okay.
servers are there. It's not a single server because thousands crores of business you cannot do it simple like this, right? Okay, there is a number of testings are there, number of documentations are there, right? Each and everything you can record it and you can get the sign off from the businesses in real time. So today I am doing this configuration. Can you please go and test? If business is okay with that, then we can deploy the same setups to the next server. Okay, there is a test servers, development servers, SIT servers, UIT servers, production servers. Around 4 to 5 servers are there in real time. Okay.
Okay. Will you be showing the sandbox and all as well, right?
Yeah.
In this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Base testing. Higher. There are also covered in the courses integration tools, Oracle Cloud. 100% we are not providing what you are expected integration. This is not a technical related. This is a completely functional related. Integrations, how you can test the integrations. Okay. So that I will be provided. Oracle sourcings, there is a two sourcings. One is for order management sourcing, one is for procurement sourcing. Okay, both we are providing. But UPKs so this expectations is not coming under this functional consultant training. Okay, this will be the technical trainings. So these integrations and tools. Okay, Ulrach. How about the tables details associated modules? Tables related associated modules also not coming under this. Okay. Tables related, see, for example, this is very simple. Why we are taking too much of time? For example, inventory, right? Stock management tables. So you can see here tables. You just copy this and go to the BA reports and query this. Inventory on hand quantity details, summary details. It's an open market, right? Tables. You can ask all the tables are there from here. Inventory management tables are there from here. Just click on here. Okay, in training, I'll be providing all these things. Don't worry. Okay, so it's Oracle is an open market. So inventory management tables. You can see here tables. Okay. So if you want to learn this table, which table is it is coming, even Oracle people also, developing people also not telling this. Right. If anybody is asking, just open these tables and tell about this is the table where we can get the cycle count related informations. So this is the table where we are getting this. Okay. So no need to worry about that. There is a thousands of tables are there. Okay. If any table related data is required, just query with this tables related information from the Google. Immediately the table information will be provided. Yeah. Asking this, we need to configure reports. Yes. Yes. If you want to configure, you are obviously using these Oracle documents. Oracle documents, there is a tables are there. Functional consultant don't know which table it is there. Functional consultant know about these navigations. Navigations. So technical consultant duty is to find out the tables, right? So to find out the table, if technical team is asking where I can see the on-hand quantity in the front end, immediately as a functional consultant, you need to tell about, you need to go for supply chain execution, right? And here there is an inventory, right? From the inventory, you can verify this on-hand quantity. As a functional consultant, you are doing this, right? Nothing other than this, nothing. No tables, no other things are coming to the this functional consultant, right? I'm not expected for this related tables related integrations. Integration testing is expected. Tables related, no interviewer is expected from the functional consultant. Okay, not required. Yeah. Some technical members are there from this training. Okay, that's a very encourageable. Okay, but don't expect any technical related things from this training. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
one question, sir. Do the functional consultant need the pricing information? How much Oracle charges for each user, each enterprise? This financial, like in actual scenario, the user fees. How
It's
much
dependent on
Oracle
the
charges?
business agreements. We cannot, we don't have any open market to discuss about the prices. Okay, it's a dependent on the businesses.
So who negotiates this, sir?
Their sales
Actually,
team is
who?
there. Their sales team is there. They will take care about complete on this.
Okay, okay.
Okay, for example, Infosys, their sales team is there. Wipro, their sales team is there. Right, for the implementation quotations
For
for each
each
region.
client, the pricing is different, right?
Yeah. See, for example,
Okay.
if business is implemented only inventory related pricing is there. Procurement pricing. If all the modules are implemented, obviously, see, for example, if you are purchasing all vegetables, the pricing is different. If you are purchasing only one vegetable, the pricing is different, right? Same way. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, Girinath. This is Gulraj
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Actually, this Oracle Integration Cloud and MuleSoft and MDM is there, no? Those
Mm.
are the tools are what they are. I mean, since you're
It's
telling
an
it is not required
integration
for.
tool. It's an integration tools. For
Uh-huh.
example, their requisitions or purchase orders are created from third party application. They are not directly
Okay.
using this application, right? Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
they are not using this application to create their sales orders or requisitions,
Mm-hmm.
right? So their local applications are there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, local applications. Same way, for example, if you go to the Amazon, okay, there is Amazon mobiles. So this is Amazon website, right?
Mm.
Here, if I am booking this washing machine,
Yeah.
okay. So what I am doing is here I am clicking buy now. Okay, if I am clicking buy now, what happened? The process of sales order is created here. Okay,
Yeah.
once the sales order is created from their website, it is automatically integrated to their cloud application, AWS application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how system know that? Here the sales order is created. That sales order is updated. The sales order is updated on the cloud application. There is an integration mechanism.
Okay.
Okay, by using that different types of tools, Oracle is providing the integrations. Okay, there is a lot of third-party applications business is using, right? Okay, so they are integrating the data to the cloud application. So for that, they are using this OICs, MuleSoft, middlewares, all these things.
So we don't need to know that one, right? As a functional
As a
consultant.
functional consultant, we are not touching that.
Okay.
We are the person, for example, from Amazon to Oracle Cloud, there is a sales order is created from the customer. Is this sales order is created or not? You just go to here and query with the sales order number.
Okay.
Right. All the test data is flowing correctly or not. If everything is good as for the customer, then we are good. Right. If customer is expected something, again, you need to connect the technical team. They are expected this data. So can you please do this immediately?
Okay.
You are communicated to the technical team. Okay.
And there is also a concept called general ledger, right? And then some
That's a
pricing.
finance. That's a
Oh,
finance.
not here. It is not
No,
required here.
general ledgers,
Mm,
assets,
mm,
right? AP, AR, all this. There is a number of functional consultant. Once you are joining a
mm.
HCM team is there, finance team is there, technical team is there, SCM team is there. We are the
Oh,
SCM person. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. Who is
And
working on the human capital? They are the HCM team. Who is working on the finance side? They are the finance team.
okay.
We are the SCM operation functional consultants.
Okay, one last question. So if we have today you have given us a session and we have some doubts, so
Hmm.
when we can reach out to you to clarify
No,
these
immediately you can post it on that, right? If any setup related issue is there, we can give the navigations resolutions. If any expected queries are there in the next session, we'll discuss on this by sharing your screen and explaining your issue. We can resolve on the screen itself. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So looking like you will not be covering latest AI functionalities. AI functionalities are there. AI functionalities are there on the Redwood pages. AI functionalities are there. Okay, you no need to do any AI functionalities, enables or anything, right? Automatically it is enabled. You are the person to test how it is working. AI agents, all those things that will be there in this training. Okay.
Sir, are we covering any reporting part here in this session? Reporting.
OTBA reports are coming, not by BA reports. BA reports related how testing as a functional consultant, if technical team is developing the report, right? Okay, so we are the functional consultant, how the data is populated as for the columns expected, how the data is populated. The testing part will be covering on the technical discussion. So that will be there from here, right? On the syllabus copy last. Yeah, you can see here, BA reports related. Okay.
Okay. Sir, one more question. Like, we are not covering manufacturing and costing here, right?
Costing is there. Costing is there.
Manufacturing
Manufacturing we are not covering. Manufacturing is
and
separate.
maintenance also we are not covering.
No,
Two
no.
subjects.
So even if you are understanding manufacturing and maintenances or services or planning, must be know about the inventory and the procurement order management. So otherwise you cannot implement it. Okay, once
Okay.
you know these modules, then you can understanding manufacturing or plannings or service related maintenances, subscriptions, each and everything. These are the basic related modules. Right, all the businesses are implemented the maximum modules. Okay, manufacturing is the optional, planning is the optional, services is the optional. Okay, so that will be there is separate consultants are there, they will be take care about that.
Okay.
Yeah. So this recorded session will be uploaded on the drive folder, not drive folder, and YouTube. All right. If anybody is interested, please reach out our contact number. All right. We are started with registrations from tomorrow onwards. Thank you, team. Thanks for your times. Yeah.